Tina here from digitalaccesspass.com. In this video, I'll show you how you can create and customize your order bumps with SPC. Now here is an SPC checkout page and here is an order bump. And you can see that this is right above the place your order button, and your customers can simply tick this checkbox to add the bump offer to their order. I just wanted to let you know that you can create your checkout page however you want. You can design it however you want. Now here I'm using Thrive Content Builder and I'm using one of the Thrive templates, and I've just inserted my checkout shortcode that SPC gives me right here. Now here's another example of an SPC checkout page with an order bump. Now you can design your checkout pages however you like. All you have to do is insert the SPC checkout shortcode wherever you want it to appear. So use any content builder, any plugin or theme you want to use, design your pages however you want, and just insert the shortcode that SPC gives you for your checkout form, and the checkout form will appear right there. Now here is my order bump. Your customers can simply tick the checkbox to add the order bump to their order before they finalize the order. Now let me take you behind the scenes to show you how you can create and customize an order bump and have it appear on your checkout form. So there are three things you need to do. 1, create a checkout page. 2, create a buy button for the product that you want to sell. And 3, attach a bump offer to that button. And let me show you how you can do all three. So if you have already created a checkout page, you don't have to create another one. You can use the same checkout page for all your products. But if you want to create a new one, that's fine. It's completely up to you. So to create a checkout page, click on Manage Checkout, and then you can click on Add New Checkout to add a new checkout page. Now pick a name for your checkout page, click on Create. SPC will automatically create a checkout page by that name. Select Payment Options. Next, select a checkout template, whichever one you like, and say that I select the second one. Now next you can customize your checkout template. Now say that I don't want the billing information to appear there. I can turn that off. I can make this number 2. Everything is click and edit. And you can change colors, add a shadow effect so it pops out a little bit. You can add a border if you want. So you can do all this customization, increase the width, and add a border type. So you can do any customization that you want to do to your checkout form right here, and just click on Save. Now the next step is to create a buy button for the product that you want to sell. Connect it to this checkout page. Now create a bump offer, customize it, and attach it to the buy button. Now let me show you how you can do that. So to create a buy button, visit SPC Buy Now Buttons page, click on Add New Button. It's going to bring up a page like this. Give your button a name, select the tab product for which you want to create the buy button. Now this is the main product, the main offer on your checkout page. This is not the bump offer. So first select the main product for which you want to create the buy button. Then next go to the bump offer tab, and that's where you can attach a bump offer to that main product, to that checkout page. Now you will find various options here: bump offer, payment options, tagging, and ability to override DAP price or the trial price for your subscription products. Now the one that we are going to look at here is the bump offer creation and bump offer customization. Now before I show you how you can create and customize your order bump, one thing about SPC is that it's incredibly flexible. So you can see here that the bump offer is part of the buy button generation process. So you select the product, your main offer, then you attach a bump offer to it, which means for the same DAP product, you can create as many buy buttons as you want, and you can have different bump offers or different payment options, or you could have different price override setting for each one of those buttons for the same product. So it's not like you have to create a product and then everything is set for that product. It's all at buy button level. So you can have as many buy buttons as you want, and for each buy button you can configure things differently. All right, so now let me show you how you can create and customize your order bump. So first, do you want to offer an order bump? Say yes if you want to offer an order bump for that buy button that you are creating. Select your bump offer product. SPC is the plugin made for DAP. It will automatically pick up all your products from DAP. So select your bump product. And now you will see the customizer right here, and you will find several customization options right here. Now let's say that you want to create an order bump that looks like this. Now let me show you how you can do that with the SPC bump offer customizer. So here, everything is click and edit. You will see that there is an editor right here. So you can change the font, you can change the font family, you can make it bold, you can change the colors, you can center the text. So all the options are right here. All right, so let's say that we want to increase the font size to 12. So that's done. Now we don't want this to wrap, so we are going to increase the width. Now the border width, you can increase the border width. There are also different types of style available for the border. So you can say dashed, you can say dotted, you can say solid. So pick the style that you want. Border color. So if you want it to be, say, green, whatever matches your theme, you can change it to that. Background color of the top frame. So you can even change that color to whatever color you like. So say that you like this color, change it to that. Now there are also different arrow options to bring more attention to your order bump area. So there are different types of arrows here. So there is left arrow and right arrow. So if you don't want to show the right, just want to show the left, you can do that. If you want to show both, set both to yes. There is also some animation options. If you want it to blink, if you want these arrows to blink, you can set it to blink. You can also control the blinking speed. So if you want to reduce the speed, you can do that. It blinks a little bit slower. You also have different types of arrows that you can use, curved or straight. If it's straight, it looks like this. You can change the color as well. So say that you want red, you can change it to red. So you can see here, there are so many different options available to customize your bump offer. Now we are going to try and make the bump offer look like this. So we are going to copy this text and I'll show you how you can change it here. Everything is click and edit in the customizer. So just click there and replace it with whatever text you want there. Now say that you want to add an image. Then all you have to do is in the customizer, you will find an option to enter an image URL. Just click on that, insert the URL of your image and say OK. And that image is going to show up right here. Now you can change the size like that. And you can also make it centered like that. Now for the rest of the text, I'll just copy this text from here and everything is click and edit again. So I can replace this text with what I just copied over from this bump offer page and just this line. So you can hit enter and enter the text. That's it. So as you can see, the SPC bump offer customizer is incredibly easy to use and very powerful. There's not much you cannot do with the SPC bump offer customizer. Now after you customize your bump offer, continue with the rest of the buy button creation process. So far we have selected the main product that we are trying to sell. We have attached a bump offer. We have customized it. Now it's time to customize the main product details. So this is the product header that's going to appear at the top of your checkout page. So you can turn this section off if you don't want this to show up on your checkout page. And if you want it to appear but want to change the image, you can change that. This image is coming from DAP products page. Now if you don't want to display the coupon section, you can turn it off here. You can say I do not want to display it. And you can also adjust where you want the coupon to appear, towards the top of your checkout page, towards the bottom. There are other coupon options as well. So here's how the fully assembled checkout page looks. This is just a preview. You can see the bump offer right here, right above the place your order button. So after you preview the checkout page, you can now attach a sales funnel. So if you have an upsell funnel, which you can create in SPC Manage Funnel page, then you can select the funnel ID right here. And if you don't want to offer an upsell, if you want to directly send the people that purchase your product to a members page or to a thank you page, select the URL of your landing page right here. Now the last step is to create a buy button. Now this is the buy button that's going to go on your sales page. So you can change the look and feel of your buy button, use this customizer to customize your buy button and the text and everything. However, you don't have to use this buy button. If you have a buy button that you like that comes with your theme or your content builder, or if you have an image that you want to use as your buy button, use that. You don't have to use this and you can completely ignore and completely skip this step. Next, enter the URL of your sales page. This is only used by SPC for tracking purposes, so it can track the conversion. So just enter the URL of the sales page where your buy button is going to live. And the last step, sandbox or live mode. SPC allows you to test each button in sandbox mode before you turn it live. So you can set it to sandbox. As long as you have set your sandbox credentials in SPC settings page, you can test the button in sandbox mode. This way you don't have to run actual purchases. You can connect it to your sandbox account in Stripe or sandbox account in PayPal and run all the purchases through that. And if everything looks good, then you can switch it to live. And that's it. This completes the buy button creation process. All you have to do is save settings and you are done. Now, if you want to use your own buy button, then just copy the bare link from here and attach it to your buy button. If you want to use the SPC button, then copy this form code and publish that on your sales page. So as you can see, you can create your checkout page, you can create buy buttons, you can create a bump offer, you can customize your bump offer, you can customize anything else you want for your buy button in no time using SPC. My name is Veena Prashant. Thanks for watching.